Look at that face. As soon as she sees the camera, she gets excited these days. Good. You're my daughter. Perfect. That's how you should be. No, Nakshu? Huh? Say hi बोलो कैमरा को hi बोलो बहुत दिन हो गया. Say hi. Very good. Bye भी बोल दो. Daddy is going off. Papa is leaving, you know that? He's leaving for 23-24 days. Say bye. Bye बोलो. Bye भी बोल दे रही. You don't want Papa? He's going for a long bike trip. You wanna come? I'll take you someday, okay? I'll take you someday on the BMW. Okay? Okay, today is last day here in Hyderabad for me. I'll be leaving tomorrow morning.
What do you mean by last day? You'll come back.
Come back, I mean, for the next 20 days, almost 23 days I'm gonna leave. 24 days. 22 days बोला but I said 2 more days.
कितना खुश है बोलते हुए
अभी खुश है definitely because going for the ride on the new BMW.
Oh yeah, of
My
course.
first ride on the BMW.
I'm actually happy that you're going after a long time.
Okay, she's very happy that I'm going out.
Not very happy, but I'm happy that you're going after a long time. So it's okay. Enjoy, have fun. We'll miss you, but then I think you'll have a lot of fun.
24 days.
हाँ.
Is that fine?
उससे जल्दी भी आए तो that's fine.
उससे जल्दी we'll try but I don't think that's gonna happen. Maybe we'll be extending a little bit, maybe 1
I'll
or 2
back
days. 1 or 2 days we'll extend. By the way, I've named my new bike the BMW.
Emperor.
Huh?
The Emperor.
You're making it sound so bad.
Yeah, it's not
The
bad,
Emperor.
but- Okay, what are you
The Emperor.
Okay, I'm supposed to say the Emperor.
Okay, for the Ladakh
Yeah.
trip, we got the name finally when I did this last trip while going to that night ride.
Natasha.
That day, I was actually vlogging and I was saying something. I was saying, this is the king of adventures, this is the king of adventure bikes, and suddenly I said this. It's the king of adventures, it is the Emperor. Good, no? The name is good?
Very good.
She didn't like it much, but it came out of emotion.
Yeah,
but
I
that
think it's
doesn't.
okay, but just as long as you're happy, you have to ride them.
But that doesn't mean this gonna stay. Let's see, Ladakh ride में maybe we'll change names. Let's
ऐसे
see.
तो बाइक्स में हम चेंज करेगा बीच में.
Bikes will not change now. This is there for at least the next
तेरा
3
कोई
years.
भरोसा नहीं है
3
मुझे.
साल minimum 3 क्या 5 years. This is a GS इससे ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है. So I'll keep it.
Slowly you'll
It
come and
seems-
tell me, you know what, baby? This I'm thinking of this. No, first he'll open Google and then he'll show me.
How is
baby,
it? I showed
baby,
you this-
how is this bike?
I showed you the speed twin like that, and I
Yeah.
told you to gift me that. You could do that, but
Aro,
you
tera-
didn't. It's not about having paisa. It is
Like
about feeling
bike.
good. When
I make you feel
I can
good
tell
in
you,
lot of ways. I
can,
don't need to give you a bike.
I can.
Can you
Okay,
please
I think
say
I'll
na?
see you guys tomorrow morning, directly on the bike, hopefully. And we have a big surprise. And this surprise, I'll be showing it later once I come
Once
back from
someone
the
else is
trip.
joining you.
I got something, a big package, an expensive BMW range ka package. But I'll be showing that after I come back from the trip.
Actually,
Really
let's
sorry
say
about
bye.
it.
Actually, let's say bye to everyone.
I have to keep you hanging like this. I'm the king of surprises, so
Oh.
I'll be
Oh,
I'll be keeping it as a surprise. I know you people will hate me for this, but it's worth it. Trust me, it is definitely worth it. I'll show you the package, you know. But after I come back, I'll unbox it.
मुझे पता है.
I am super happy. No, you're not interested in that, so don't worry about it. My folks, my subscribers will be mad about it.
Oh, so it's a biking accessory, पक्का.
No, it is a biking accessory,
then
but
obviously.
this is next level accessory, dude.
तेरा हर चीज next level ही होता है.
No, this is like next level. I didn't expect this to happen, but I'm very happy about it. I wanted to do this today itself, but there was no
Did
time.
your subscribers
Tomorrow we're
guess-
leaving.
Did your subscribers guess your new words in your dictionary? 2 new words. One is fancy and one is next level. Fancy, that's something I noticed. I don't know how many of you have noticed. But
Yeah,
then-
it is nice to say that. No? See,
Everything
she's
is-
wearing a nice fancy hairband. That's how you describe, you know, something that looks nice. And Naisha's intelligence is next level. That's how you talk, you know.
हो गया. Okay, Nashu, next level, no?
Okay, I'll show you the dabba. बाद में I'll come back and unbox it. Okay.
Say bye, Nashu. Say
Bear
bye
with
then.
me.
Nashu, say bye.
Tata, see you in the morning. No, I can't see you tomorrow.
No, we'll
Early
be
morning,
sleeping
literally
when you
4
say-
o'clock.
Yeah.
4:30, I'm gonna leave.
I'll say bye to Papa in the morning.
I'll just say bye from here. You'll be sleeping.
Obviously.
I'll just leave. Okay. Because I don't want to disturb anyone early in the morning because I'll be shooting and doing all that. I'm not comfortable with them.
Somebody is very excited today. Oh, कुछ अलग face.
Vibes,
अलग-
no? Positivity, no?
Yeah.
Glow,
Not
no?
only you, Charan, Chaitanya, all of you are very excited.
Yeah, we're all
Shiva, of
excited.
course.
Who is this dude disturbing me? Crackers.
Yeah, crackers तेरे लिए because you're going to Ladakh tomorrow.
That is the only thing I'm gonna show you, but I I'm sorry, but you have to wait for 24 days or maybe more than that. Oh, by the way, I've also cut my hair, as you can see, because we're gonna wear the helmet and ride for almost 10 hours per day. And if you have like long hair, it's very irritating. I'm also using this particular mic right now. This is a Rode old one. The problem is packing that huge mic. I'm taking that mic as well. I'm just carrying it here. I'm carrying it, but putting it in the tank bag is a little bit difficult. And by the way, I'm not putting the tank bag on the tank. I'm putting it inside the panels because we have a lot of space. Anyways, that's about it. Time is exactly 8:30 in the night. Abhi dinner khana. Hopefully, as of now, I don't have any ride anxiety, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. Chalo, see you directly tomorrow, early in the morning. Alright? That's my protein shake. This is the only thing I have when I go for a ride in the morning, because I want to keep myself light. If you eat heavily, at least me, if I eat heavily in the morning, I feel sleepy. Protein is more satiating. It will keep your hunger away for at least 2 hours. Alright, all ready. One second. Yes. Right now everything is ready. What's up guys, kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. I'm doing like super great because we are gonna ride the BMW R1250 GS Adventure today. This is gonna be my first ride, as you guys know, on the BMW for a very long ride. Time is around 6 o'clock in the morning, but you guys know every time we'll get late. Had to start at 5:30. Abhi already 6 ho gaya. These people have to come to the intersection on the highway. We'll be seeing this house literally after 20 plus days. Jacket is ready. Helmet is ready, rider is ready, bike is all ready. Even Indian insurance is ready today. Remember the exact same trip I started from here on the Tiger, on the Dark Horse. This time it's gonna be the exclusive HP color BMW. This is what I'm taking. This is all my luggage, panniers and the top box, that's it. Tank bag I'm not taking. I fixed the base of the tank bag, but tank bag is inside this box because we have a lot of space. I'll see in case I feel I have to have the tank bag outside for quick access. Maybe I'll remove it from there and put it over here, not a big problem. Actually today's plan was to complete at least 900 kilometers towards Sagar, but let's see. My friends need a warm-up ride. Even I'm also fine with that. First we'll go to Nagpur, because anyways we have to go via Nagpur. In case we reach Nagpur early, obviously we're going to reach like in 6 or 7 hours. It should be max 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we'll have ample amount of time. So in case we think we'll stretch a little bit more, we can do Sagar. We can do, but there's no hurry. We're going to enjoy, we're going to have fun. Aram se. But in case we do Nagpur today, we'll definitely have to stretch a little bit tomorrow, because Nagpur to Agra is what we have in mind. That's going to be around 15 hours plus. Bye. Call చేస్తా. Hopefully I've taken everything. Abhi chodo yaar, even if I forget something, doesn't matter. If we need something, we'll have to buy on the way somewhere. Should be good. And Sriman, be very careful with your panniers, they're too huge. And you're not used to it. So my friends ko aisa marna seriously. Time is 7:30. I don't want to keep repeating this every time I do a ride, but can't help it. These people definitely make it late. Actually, the group that is going right now are full on matured. I thought they'll definitely make it on time, maintain time and all that, but no, they want to be college kids. They came really late, like literally 1 hour late. Oh yes, bike is definitely a little bit different the way it handles now, because I'm riding with the huge panniers for the first time. Panniers and the top box as well. Sriman, you forgot the top box. It's there, right? Yeah, bike has become a little bit bouncy. It feels like there's a pillion sitting piche. Oh yes, also about the tinted visor, it is definitely dark, but for now it is fine. I'm sure Rajma cannot use it like this. Now it looks very crystal clear, and I think my front air pressure is set. Now it is at 35. And as you guys know, I don't like using gloves in the city. Once I go onto the highway, we'll wear the BMW new gloves. I don't think they need a break-in much, because I took an XL size. It's already perfect, like a skin fit. Seriously, bike feels so good. Just have to be extra careful with the width. I will get used to it, no problem in this trip. Also, a couple of other friends wanted to join here, but I don't see them. They had to meet me here. I mean, they'll not be coming to Ladakh and all. They just wanted to come for a quick ride. and a typical meeting place, especially if we go towards the north, it is going to be Nagpur highway, around 7 or 8 kilometers from here. So they're not even coming for a quick ride, they just want to come say bye. And oh yes, a weather report. How can Sriman not give weather report on his channel? As you can see, beautiful weather, perfect to ride. Shows 28 degrees. That's too much, yeah. It doesn't feel like 28. BMW accuracy, you're definitely wrong. I think it feels like 20, maybe 23, 24 degrees. We need clear skies. We need clear traffic. Anna, Tambi. పొద్దుగాల నిద్ర లేపేసిండు ఒక్క సెకండ్లో. వెట్ వెయిట్ full tank is going to be 260 kilos, and then the rider is another 80 kilos. Yeah, he was 73 74 when he was lean, but abhi he's around but abhi he's somewhere around 80 kilos. That is almost like 7 kilos up, and I'm not sure how much I'm going to be while I'm coming back from this trip. And then including the pannier, the top box, a huge climb gear and all that, I'm pretty sure it's going to be somewhere around 80 plus 260 plus, oh my god, 330 plus. And when I brake the bike, usually I don't use the rear brake because we have what is that called, dynamic braking or something. When you hit the front brake, Piche ka also gets engaged a little bit, and when I hit the brakes, the bike is like a lorry. It's going slowly upper like that. I mean, I can feel it's trying to stop a huge monster. Talking about the accessories that I put on the bike, except for the Lone Rider headlight guard, nothing else I put, because GSA, this is a good thing, you get everything on the bike. All the accessories, functional accessories that you need for a ride. This is loaded with camera gear, right? Good. Jai Hind, ride starts to Ladakh. Woo! Time to get laid. What's up? Wish you would come.
Yeah, Adi.
When and actually Adi were almost coming.
Hydration pack.
Almost about to come, but they are not coming. We really wish you would come, you both of you.
But we are excited for you guys.
Watch the
very much
videos.
excited.
Watch the videos. We'll
Yes, as
gamify you.
usual.
GS. April, yeah. Chalo. Bye. Photos పంపిస్తా, will make you jealous. Chalo, bye. Sure. Thank you. ఈ వెల్లులో ఎంత పడుతుంది అంటూ? Look at the traffic behind me, just for filling my fuel. There are literally 12 people behind me. They're all probably cursing me now. Enta? 21. Oh, look at my bike, dude. Nice. Almost as big as a dump truck. We have next level full tank. Let's see what is the range. First time I did full tank in this. Almost 2,000 rupees, and already there was 260 range. 594 kilometers. Seriously? On a bike, this is the first time I'm seeing such a range. 600 kilometers, dude. One shot, we can cross Nagpur and go. One full tank mein. I am already loving it. This is a good thing about having a huge fuel tank. No need to worry about anything. So your stops are going to be less. And when your friends are filling, what you can do is, you can just stand by the side, click photos, do Instagram stories and all that stuff. So it's a beautiful weather. I still don't understand why is it showing 29 degrees, dude. It's so pleasant. And we have done around, I think, 70 or 80 kilometers from my home. And abhi tak we are doing it slowly because a lot of traffic. Abhi se will increase the pace, and nothing like really interesting to show you guys. There's all a proper 4-lane NH44 Bangalore to Hyderabad to Nagpur to literally Srinagar tak aisa ek hi proper 4-lane hai. Let me lift this up. Let's sit inside the bike like this. Good thing about the GS I felt is you don't understand the speed. Like you're doing 80-90 kilometers an hour. It's very stable, very nimble, highly confidence inspiring. So next stop will be for breakfast. And abhi we are not on the diet, and also no need to worry about finding only eggs, grilled chicken, grilled fish, kuch nahi. At least on the highway I'm okay, I'm eating everything and anything. Once we come back from the trip, I'll be doing the proper diet and stuff. Abhi to let's enjoy.
Yeah.
Idli Uddra.
First break at Malgudi, almost around 100 kilometers from my house. Basically, this NH44 is like really boring. Literally from Bangalore to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Nagpur, till Srinagar. Till Srinagar is the same highway. It is really boring. 2,500 kilometers to Srinagar from here. And I thought it is very boring, this highway. I'm not able to find any content. But
We'll
we
find.
found.
I'll provide. నీకు ఏది కావాలి చెప్పు.
I found one. Wait. We found something fancy here. This is called Malkajgiri Jugaad. No. Kokapet Jugaad.
This is
Zip ties. Dude, this is a
I'm
BMW,
saving up
bro.
for I'm saving up for 1250 అందుకని I'm not spending money on
You're removing the izzat of BMW, you know. You give respect to this brand.
50 rupees ఇవ్వు అమ్మేస్తా నీకు ఇది కావాలో చెప్పు. 50 rupees.
One negative about a BMW is people usually steal this. So we decided to buy Koti mein. We get stickers of BMW. 50 rupees mein you get dozen.
అరే ఇది బైకింగ్ టాలెంట్ అప్రిషియేట్ చేయరా బికాజ్ ఐ కాంట్ పుట్ ద మెయిన్ స్టాండ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ దిస్ వెన్ దిస్ ఇస్ డౌన్
So you can close it and keep it, right? It doesn't stay.
The spring is broken. When I fell in Chikmagalur, the spring
You fell
broke.
so many times where?
Chikmagalur. అందుకనే నేను స్పెసిఫై మెన్షన్ చేసినా
Chaitanya's first ride to
Insta-
Ladakh after giving so much of hype about Ladakh, Leh Ladakh.
Legend.
Every time we meet, till the
Legend.
time we came back, from US, almost 3-4 years, every ride we go, we used to tell him about Ladakh. The main reason he's coming now is to check out Ladakh.
No,
Does
it's
it
not to
live up
check
to the
out
hype?
Ladakh. It's just to check Ladakh అంతే వెళ్ళినాం చాలు
So every ride we go, like Chikmagalur, what is it, Munnar, all these rides, he used to say this view is very beautiful, and then we would be like,
Yeah, it's
this
nice.
This is nice, but Ladakh
nothing
is
like
next level.
Sonmarg, nothing like ఏదో ఇంకే చెప్తా ప్యాంగాంగ్ లైక్
Oh, but they are amazing. Panyong, G is silent. Stupid fellow made me say that last Ladakh ride mein. Anyways, all these Jugaad plans are to just a reason to upgrade. To
నెక్స్ట్ బ్రేక్ లో కాంటెంట్ కాలేజ్ చెప్పు దీని గురించి మాట్లాడదాం
oh, we
Next,
have
wait,
we have
teaser.
lot of accessories.
Teaser,
Just
teaser.
wait, okay? Let's have breakfast now.
ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు తెస్తున్నావు కదా శానిటైజర్
It feels so good to eat all this junk. Shiva, be happy. This time I'm not doing any diet.
ఎక్సలెంట్
You're also not doing, na?
డైటా
He stopped long back. Chaitanya also not in diet. We're gonna enjoy a lot of food in the north.
ఓ
And Ladakh, anyways, you don't get like great food.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఎవ్రీ మీల్ ఫ్లెక్స్
After every meal, you need to flex like at least 1 inch. Okay, quick ride update. We have done 102 kilometers from the breakfast point. Currently riding in Dynamic Pro. Yes, I started exploring all these modes, riding modes. We didn't have all these modes in the Tiger. The stability, the ride quality is something that I've never experienced in any bike before, especially on the highways. I mean, I'm not comparing it to a super sport, but in the adventure touring category, I think this is definitely the king, the emperor. Nagpur is another 295 kilometers from here, should take us maybe 3 hours to 4 hours, and we're going Aram se. We're stopping, taking pictures, doing all that stuff and going Aram se. Climate is a beautiful 31 degrees, nice and pleasant. Definitely enjoying the ride. Oi. And after the first service, I learned that 2 modes are unlocked in this bike. There is a chip inside already. You just need to remove it and plug it in. And 2 modes, the Dynamic Pro and Enduro Pro. These 2 modes are unlocked. Dynamic Pro is really good on the highway. Enduro Pro there are 2 things that are happening. One is traction control is shut off, and even the ABS is shut off. You can use that for proper off-roading, but for touring, I think Dynamic Pro or road mode is the way to go. And oh yes, nostalgia, yaar. This is the second road trip I've done solo. I don't know if I'll be doing solos anymore because I'm so used to having my friends in the ride, and especially this particular bridge. I remember stopping here. I think I'll connect to my friends. Should we stop here? Exactly this bridge, I remember. I was going on the Benelli. I put a camera there. I came running this side. I took the bike and went. I did all that kind of stuff before. But you can do all that when you're doing solo rides, you know. Now also I wanted to do that, but it will irritate my friends. So yeah, you have advantages when you're doing solo rides. And you'll have a lot of fun when you're doing a group ride, especially if the company is excellent. So I think we'll take a quick break, have some water, chew some chewing gum. And oh yes, we have cruise control as well. I did not use it yet. I think, how do I do it? Yes, push it to the right and then push this button to the front and it will set. Right now, you see that? It's in cruise control. But I think we are taking a break now, so we'll experiment all this later. Stopped here for a quick break, much needed. Temperature is crazy 37, 38 degrees, dude. What is this horrible? అరే కొంచెం ముందర ఇంకా రా కమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ వెళ్ళిపోను ముందరికి వెళ్ళిపో. That was close. That was close. Oh shit, I missed it. 1000 kilometers हो गया. It shows 1018. Another 60 kilometers, huh?
On the highway.
On this highway, 56 kilometers, 1 hour.
Do you have the update on your app?
Today?
See, one good thing we have in the BMW app. It's called Motorrad Connector.
Connected. Mine was not connected to the.
None of our apps are connected to the bike. I don't know. I tried connecting mine. It worked for some days. Today, the main ride when it started, it did not work.
The last ride April.
This is how it
21.
looks.
The last ride was April.
I tried doing the same thing on my phone, but somehow it did not get recorded. Last recorded was somewhere around 540 kilometers, which means last time when I gave it for first service, we had to finish Hyderabad to Nagpur in 8 hours. Google shows 10 hours, but we did it in 7 hours.
7.5.
7.5 hours. Morning 1 hour they made me sit. Especially Shiva. Shiva was late today. I thought Shiva is on time always. Chaitanya was also kind of late. 5 o'clock I got up and sat. 1 hour I was wearing my waterproof boots and sitting. Mom came and asked me, do you want coffee? I said, no, I need to start. And then I had to sit for 1 hour. As per our first itinerary, we had to go to Hyderabad to Sagar. Narsinghpur. Narsinghpur is another 120-130 from here, from Nagpur. But then we thought we'll go from the other side. Where are we going tomorrow?
To Agra.
Oh, that's a huge ride. 15 hours, that's what Google is showing, which means we should take at least two more
That
hours.
would be my longest ride ever.
But this bike pe to full next level comfort I have. This was like a small cute ride. Hyderabad Nagpur is like amazing road, so couldn't even feel anything. Bike was just warming up. I think by the end of this ride, these people are also gonna plan for the 1250s. This guy and the Chaitanya.
No karcha.
Yeah, they're getting influenced slowly. It will happen. Don't worry about it. As soon as we go back home, we'll have new
It will
bikes.
come. When is the question? No.
Hello BMW Hyderabad.
No.
We need two
No.
1250s. We're
don't-
coming back to Hyderabad and we'll pick it up.
I
And you
know.
know what? You're getting the new bikes, the 2022 versions with that headlight which goes up and down. People were asking me, does your headlight do that? My version doesn't do that.
If it's
2022 में होता है वो. No, 2021 में. Mine is 2020 I guess. So it's a previous generation. I did not want to wait because I wanted the bike for this particular ride. And just for that headlight thing, that is called an adaptive headlight. Just for that one thing, I didn't want to wait for 2 or 3 months, and even the dates were not like confirmed when it's gonna release. So I'm okay, yaar, as long as the engine is working well. And recently we saw that Nikhil's bike had some trouble with the sensor issue. As soon as I heard that news, I was like worried. Should I take my bike and go to Ladakh now? What if something happens like that? Tiger, though, I was very confident about that bike. I took it everywhere in India. Engine issues absolutely zero. Very reliable Tiger. Now I'm having my doubts a little bit about the sensor issue because this is not one case. Even Shiva had the same issue. Throttle body, the throttle sensor.
Throttle body sensor.
So that is not one case.
But if you
Shiva ka
remember,
case
even
bhi
I
hai.
had
BMW
sensor.
sensors, you need to check.
Should
Basically, yeah, they have to do a recall, I think, regarding this throttle sensor. I think that's it for today. Actually, my GoPro died. Battery khatam ho gaya as soon as we entered Nagpur, so I couldn't shoot anything. And luckily, now I was able to transfer everything back to the laptop. But first, when I switched it on to transfer, you know what happened? It said corrupted. All your files might be deleted. You can either format it
I have
or just delete it.
I have an amazing software which can recover lost or deleted files.
Let's see, if it is worth it, I will definitely ask you. I think this Hyderabad Nagpur, what is the last year? I'll take it and put it.
Last year,
Same.
2018 से वही
28 is the same route. Whenever you want to go to the north, you have to take Hyderabad Nagpur route. That's it for today, I think. Tomorrow, I'll see you guys in the morning. Hopefully, we leave by, actually, we should leave by at least 4:35 a.m. so that you reach. Where is that? Agra. Taj Mahal ke paas. Literally, that is around 850-860 kilometers. It will take aram se 16 plus hours. And already our itinerary is like very tight now.
back same route or
Back
ship
same
bikes
route.
through
No shipping. No shipping. I'm not shipping my new brand new shiny new bike. Please, at least one ride I'll complete properly. Next time, say we'll see. I don't know how it got connected. So this is the app basically. As you can see, there is the bike. When you click on this, you get all the information about the ride. Last updated 22/6/21. That's like 530 kilometers. You remember when I told you my air pressure in the front tire was less? That is at 30. I think that was the last time it got updated. After that, no more info. There it shows fuel and all that. 63% left fuel. 361 kilometers range. Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. Everything is absolutely free. Please do that. I think this ride is gonna be boring till almost Agra and Pathankot tak. After Pathankot, it's gonna be exciting. From there onwards, you'll be seeing amazing views. Tata, take care, bye bye.